In today's activity, you'll be working on two slides. Let's look at the first slide together. On the first slide, you will be dividing these words into the correct number of syllables. Let's look at the first word together. The first word is transfer. I know that transfer has two syllables, so I'm going to divide it into the correct columns. I'm going to double click. The first syllable is trans, and the second syllable is fer. You will finish dividing the rest of these words into syllables on your own. After you have done that, you will go to the second slide. On the second slide, you will drag each word to the correct column depending on how the consonants were separated in the syllables. So over here, I see the word that I just did on the other slide, transfer. I know that transfer, I separated it between the S and the F, which I can see here there are two consonants in the first syllable, and then there is only one consonant in the second syllable. So I'm going to drag it to the CC/C since it follows that pattern. You need to put the rest of the words in the correct column.